Hi, welcome back. So as you've seen in the intro, I'm reviewing the Fanttik air duster. It's 130,000 RPM air duster. Fanttik did send this out to me. So let's just get straight into the video and unbox this and see what this air duster can do. Okay, so here is the Fanttik MegaBoost B10 Pro electric air duster. So this is it in the box. So we're going to get it out of the box and have a look. So this air duster is type C. It's got a battery capacity of 28.8 watts and charging 5 volts, and it's 130,000 RPM, so that's very powerful, and it's got a mega boost on there as well. So it's the B10 Pro Max. So this is what you get in the box. So we're just going to get it out and have a look what you get inside the box. So let's just get into the box now. Okay, so in the box then you do get these accessories. So these are the accessories for the air duster. So we're just going to have a look at what accessories you do get to assist this air duster. So you do get a nice carry case for the accessories. There you got the Fanttik logo on there. So let's just have a look. Just put this to one side a minute, the main thing. So let's just put these out. So that's a nice little carry bag for the air duster. Very nice. So you get quite a lot of attachments. So there's a dust here, little duster. You get a little carrying cable. You get a fine attachment here for dusting. So yeah, you've got this, and you've got another attachment here, and then you've got this is probably the main one that you'd use to clear out dusting. And there's like a little brush here that you can use as well, and there is the USB charging cable. So here it is, Fanttik B10 Pro Max. So it's a nice product, like this aluminium body. So you've got your up and down speeds, power on there, and you've got like a little screen there that shows like what speed it's at. And then you've got the max button at the back, and I do believe it's got a light as well that lights up. So yeah, really good quality air duster to clean around your PC desk or just general cleaning. So yeah, really good. So what we're going to do, I'm just going to show you how you attach quickly, how you get that on. So you can see there, that's where you put the attachment, and you've got those little 2 ridges in there. So that just clicks on there, and then you've got the duster. So we just turn the power on, hold it. So that's on 1 speed, as you can see, and you can hear it. So let it charge up to 100%, then pop it on. Number 2, number 3, and you can hear number 4, and then number 5. And then if I don't want to put it up in the air because I'm going to blow it away, I've got the boost button on there. You hold that in, and that takes it up to 6, if you can still hear me. So let's bring that down. So that's how powerful this air duster is. When you press the max on the bottom, it boosts it up to level 6. So I'll just show you how it works. Well, it's an air duster, everybody knows how an air duster works, but I will just show you the air duster in action. Right, I can see there's some dust in my speaker there, so I'm just going to turn on the Fanttik. We're going to clear that out, so I'll just do it on number 3. There, as I was dusting there, so just around my desktop, just going to put it on number 2, clean a bit there. So the light comes on as well, good for cleaning the keyboard. So let's just clean the keyboard out. My phone, a bit of dust on it around here. Oh, a little bit blood there. So yeah, cleaning that all around there. See the power there, just remove that. And that's only on number 4. So that's how powerful the air duster is. Okay, so the Fanttik air duster. So this is a really powerful air duster. So my thoughts on this, it's a really powerful air duster, 130,000 RPM as well, so you've got all the attachments as well that you can use. You can use it to clear leaves if you want to do, that's how powerful it is. So you can pump up an airbed with it as well. So I think it is really good, it's very powerful air duster to go around your computer desk, around the keyboard, or around the desk or anything like that. So yeah, I am really impressed with it. I hope you liked the video, so I will leave the link down below of where you can get this air duster from. If you could like and subscribe to my channel, that'd be much appreciated, because I am over 1,000 subscribers and I want to get to a lot more subscribers going forward on this channel, and I want to grow this channel, this tech channel, because I am so passionate about tech. I am going to IFA Berlin this year as well, 2026 in September. So if you do see me, say hello. So I am looking forward to going to IFA in the next couple of weeks. So thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you all again soon on my channel BKM Tech Reviews.